now approximately 2 years old. On the other side of Kiharu is an elephant called Teleki, who was also rescued from Mount Kenya area, the victim of human wildlife conflict. It's believed that Teleki's family had gone out of the park into the community's farm to destroy their crops. These villagers went out to fight the elephants. In that process, Teleki was left behind. He was injured by the people. He came in with a big wound on the shoulder, which was caused by a machete. We managed to fix the wound. So far, he's doing all right for approximately 2 years old. Very close to me, an elephant called Ishakbi, who is about 20 months old. The Ishakbi was rescued from the northeastern part of Kenya, identified at the age of about 6 months, standing under a mango tree, very thin and weak, very much dehydrated and emaciated. We can't tell exactly what might have happened to the mother, but this is an area that is prone to poaching. That's why we suspect the mother might have been killed by poachers. And since she was all alone, very, very thin, starving to death, in fact, feeding on the mango fruits that were being dropped down by the baboons. So we had to rescue her so that we could provide food